Good evening and welcome to Kini News. Pejuang Pro Tem Deputy President Marzuki Yahya said that the party may consider contesting using Amanahs logo if an election is called before they are able to register their party.
Pejuang may consider contesting the next general election using the Amanah logo. This was confirmed by its Pro Tem Deputy President Marzuki Yahya when contacted by Malaysia Kini. He said the party hasn't discussed anything yet, and it was just one of the few suggestions. He added that the focus is on registering Pejuang, and the idea to contest using Amanah's logo was in case there was an election before they could do so. When asked whether the party was considering integrating with Warisan, he said that they are open to working with everyone in the opposition, but have not committed to anything yet. Amanah leaders have also confirmed that the idea had been floated, but no official discussions on the matter have taken place. Amanah Deputy President Salahuddin Ayub said they haven't received an official request. He added that the party had no problems with it and would discuss it if there was a request. Pejuang was formed last August as an offshoot of Bersatu. However, the Registrar of Societies had rejected their registration application on January 6.
Now we'll take a look at the latest COVID-19 situation in Malaysia in this segment brought to you by Blue Air.
The Health Ministry today reported 3,680 new COVID-19 cases, with 6 imported cases. There were 1,858 new recoveries. From the local cases, Johor recorded the highest number of new cases, with 1,069. This was followed by Selangor with 822 new cases, Kuala Lumpur with 698, and Sabah with 295. The number of patients in intensive care reached a record high of 315 today, with 122 people requiring ventilator support. 7 new deaths were also recorded, taking the death toll from COVID-19 in the country to 707.
Home Minister Hamzah Zainudin has recovered from COVID-19. Now, before we move on with the bulletin, if you like the content that we produce, please check the link in the description below and make a small donation to help support us in bringing you more quality content.
Home Minister Hamzah Zainudin was discharged from hospital on Sunday after making a full recovery from COVID-19. This was confirmed by his press secretary, Zulkifli Bujang, who told Bernama that Hamzah is in good health. Hamzah also posted an update on Facebook, where he thanked the doctors, nurses, and frontliners who had treated him. He also took the opportunity to call on all Malaysians to continue following the SOPs set by the Health Ministry and to fully cooperate with frontliners and the government in its efforts to break the chain of COVID-19 infection. Hamzah, who was confirmed COVID-19 positive on January 12, was treated and quarantined at the University Malaya Medical Center. Apart from Hamzah, Economic Affairs Minister Mustafa Muhammad had also recently been given the all-clear after being treated for COVID-19.
Former Attorney General Tommy Thomas has revealed that he was asked to resign by Dr. Mahathir Mohamad after Malay opposition to his appointment as AG.
Tommy Thomas has revealed that former Prime Minister Dr. Mahathir Mohamad wanted him to resign one day after his appointment as the Pakatan Harapan government's legal advisor. According to the former Attorney General, Mahathir asked him to resign immediately after telling him that the Yang di-Pertuan Agong had assented to his appointment. This was revealed in the prologue of his book, My Story, Justice in the Wilderness. He said, despite the Agong's decision, Mahathir wanted him to resign because of the scale and magnitude of the Malay opposition to his appointment. Thomas said he was astonished as Mahathir wanted his resignation the next day. He added that he felt that the professional opportunity of a lifetime had slipped out of his fingers before he could even take a breath. Mahathir's request came despite his own decision to nominate just one name, Thomas's, as the Attorney General. While admitting he was dumbfounded and dejected by the resignation request, Thomas said he was prepared to comply. Despite the episode, he went on to serve as Attorney General right up until Harapan's collapse in February 2020. This was revealed in an excerpt from his upcoming memoir, which was released by its publisher Gerak Budaya on their Facebook page yesterday.
DAP Senator Liu Chin-tong has outlined 5 ways that the government could improve their efforts to contain the COVID-19 outbreak and its economic aftermath. One of the points was related to the bank loan moratorium.
Sebenarnya moratorium tidak bawa apa kerugian kepada bank. bank ini dia mesti dapat riba atau interest. Dia masih kutip interest walaupun bayaran ditangguhkan. So sebenarnya saya rasa dasar kerajaan harus semacam ni. Sesiapa nak minta, dia boleh dapat automatik tanpa soalan. Kalau dia nak minta moratorium, dia dapat. Kedua ialah isu pengesanan untuk pekerja asing. Dan untuk semualah, tadi saya dah sebut tentang ujian pengesahan. Tapi untuk warga asing, saya rasa kerajaan harus kata, okey, kerajaan tanggung semua tapi kena buat sekarang. Kerana dasar sekarang ialah melalui SOKSO syarikat kena tanggung. Tapi hanya dah 2 bulan, hanya 200,000 pekerja asing yang telah menjalankan ujian. Bermaksud ada juta-juta yang lain, jutaan yang lain belum buat ujian lagi. So ini masalah ini macam time bomb yang kita hadapi. Poin ketiga saya ialah restoran atau gerai, kalau kita bagi setiap meja 2 orang, sebenarnya tak ada masalah. Kalau kata tanah terlalu ramai, hadkan. Setiap meja mungkin 2 orang. Itu saya rasa harus dilakukan. Poin keempat ialah isu tentang pekerjaan kontrak di kerajaan, di dalam kerajaan. Macam apa yang disebut oleh YB Mahfuz, kerajaan dulu Barisan Nasional atau Perikatan, dia lebih suka untuk beri kontrak supaya mungkin ada maklumat yang lain di sebelah. Akhirnya poin kelima saya ialah bahawa sebenarnya kerajaan, apa yang boleh dilaksanakan oleh kerajaan sekarang ialah bantu syarikat kurangkan kegantungan kepada buruh. Macam kita kata, okey, kalau kita sapu lantai dengan seorang, dia productivity dia had lah. Dia hanya boleh kerja 6 jam, 8 jam. Tapi kalau dengan mesin, mungkin 5 orang ini kerja untuk 5 orang, dia boleh jadi seorang. Orang boleh uruskan semua yang dilakukan dengan tangan oleh 5 orang.
And that's all for this evening. For more stories, head on over to KiniTV.com. Don't forget, we also post the latest news to our social media on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. So follow us there to get the latest updates as well. Remember to wear your mask if you're going out. And of course, if you can, please stay home during this time. We can contain this together. Kita jaga kita. I'm Daniel Anthony. Thank you for watching. And as always, stay safe, Malaysia.